Jack Resorts Cancun is a family-friendly, all-inclusive beachfront property in the hotel zone, and one of the best values in Cancun. The competitive prices draw a fair number of partiers, and there are lots of poolside activities such as tequila volleyball. But the resort draws plenty of families as well, thanks to its 2 pools, neither very large or with a swim-up bar, kiddie splash park with a pirate ship and slides, and evening entertainment. Multiple restaurants and bars include buffet and Italian options, and food receives mostly positive reviews. Updated in 2017 to 18, the 458 rooms are stylish and beachy, all with hammock-equipped terraces, some with stunning views, and showers.